Brothers and sisters in the Lord, good afternoon. Basin nakabantay mo ani or basin naka-experience ang kadaghanan ani. The moment you decide to do something good or to become a better person, for example, we decide to be more prayerful, to be more honest, to be more faithful, but suddenly we realize that our life becomes harder. Many people start to question us. Ang uban gani katawan ta, and others misunderstand us. Kuyawa no? Ikaw nagbuhat og maayo, ikaw man hinuon ang bati sa mga tao. It is strange, but it is real. I made it as an opening line because in the gospel that we read, Jesus said, "You will be hated by all because of my name. But the one who perseveres to the end will be saved." Why would following God lead to rejection? It is because God is a sign of contradiction. Usbonako, God is a sign of contradiction. Kung modapig tas Ginoo, nagpasabot na nga mikontrata sa unsay baruganan ug naandan sa kalibutan, pananglitan. The world would say to us, think of yourself first. But Jesus would say, deny yourself. Ang kalibutan mo ingon nato, take revenge, panimalos, kay giaway ka. Apan si Jesus mo ingon nato, ayaw panimalos, pagpasaylo hinuon. The world would say, power and success matter the most. But Jesus would say to us, serve and be humble. Those are contradictions. And when we live this kind of life that is against to the world, we don't always fit in. Malahi gyud ta, ug ang lahi ug wala mauyon ni sa kadaghanan kontra og dili gyud dawaton sa tanan. My dear friends, Jesus also experienced this kind of experience. He brought love, He brought healing and truth, but He was still rejected by all. He was accused and even was crucified. So, if we experience rejection because of what we believe in, it is not a sign that we are failing. It may be a sign that we are truly following Christ. Kana kon ang pangutana pod nagsunod bagyot ta sa Ginoo, base gikontrahan ta kay dili pod maayo ang imuhang mga buhat. No? Nindot kung nakontrahan ta sa kadaghanan tungod kay atong gibarugan unsay maayo. Pero kung gikontrahan ta sa kadaghanan, basin tungod kay wa pud ta nagsubay sa saktong dalan. This principle, my dear friends, is also lived by Saint Athanasius. Saint Athanasius was a bishop who defended the truth about Jesus, that He is truly God and equal to the Father. Og tungod sa iyang prinsipyo, many powerful people at that time opposed him. Then he was sent to exile several times. Gireject siya o gi-criticize siya. Why? Again, it is because he chose truth over popularity and he chose Christ over comfort. This is the same call for us today. Kung musunod ganita o mupili ta sa Ginoo o sa maayo o insakto, expect nga naagyod ang pagsaway sa mga tao diha nimo. Ayaw og reklamo. Nga moingon dayon ta nga ngano man ni Lord, ako pa'y nagbuhat sa maayo, ako man hinuon ang dautan. Brothers and sisters, sometimes we should be misunderstood. We should be rejected, and we should stand alone for the sake of God, because standing for God is faith and perseverance. So when our faith makes it difficult, when doing what is right costs something, atong hinumduman si Saint Athanasius, stay faithful in your values, stay faithful in your kindness, stay faithful in your commitment to God, even when it is hard. Ato yun ang timan-an that our goal in life is to please the Lord, not other people. Because in the end, ato sa hinumduman, what matters is not the approval of the world, but the promise of God. Kung sa may promise sa Ginoo, the one who perseveres until the end will be saved. Matthew chapter 10, verse 22. That is the most important thing that we long. We long for our salvation. To end, let us be inspired with the quote attributed to Saint Athanasius of Alexandria. It is better to stand with God and be against by all and the world, rather than to stand with the world and be against God. Sa Binisaya pa, mas maayo nga motindog uban ang Ginoo, bahalag supakon sa tanan ug sa kalibutan, kaysa motindog uban sa kalibutan, unya supakon nimo ang kahitasan. Amen.